Chromecast is a great way to cast your phone or PC to your television. There is hardly any device that cannot pair with Chromecast. This means that the source not supported error you received is probably not caused by incompatibility but rather due to some small error or bug on your device. These issues can range from poor network connectivity to faulty applications. Regardless of the nature of the issue, this video will help cast to your television using Chromecast. Method 1. Enable mirroring on Google Chrome. Open a new tab in Chrome and type in the following URL in the search bar, Chrome, flags. This will open the experimental features on your browser. In the Search Flags bar on the top, search for mirroring. An option titled Allow all sites to initiate mirroring will appear on the screen. In the drop-down list on its right, change the setting from default to enabled. You will then have to relaunch Google Chrome, and the settings will be updated. Method 2. Enable Cast Media Router Provider. Open a new tab in Chrome and type in the following URL in the search bar, Chrome, flags. This will open the experimental features on your browser. In the search bar, search for Cast Media Router Provider. Similar to the mirroring feature, click on the drop-down list and enable the feature. Method 3. Restart your Chromecast, computer, and Wi-Fi router. Method 4. Disable ad blocker and VPN extensions. Method 5. Clear the cache data of the app. Open the Settings app and tap on Apps and Notifications. Tap on See All Apps. From the list, find and tap on the application you are unable to cast onto your TV. Tap on Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache or Clear Storage if you want to reset the app. The issue should be resolved, and streaming should work properly. Method 6. Install the latest Chrome updates. Method 7. Update Chromecast. Ensure that your Chromecast device is running on the latest firmware. You can do so by checking the Google Home application on your smartphone. Chromecast gets updated automatically, and there's not much one can do about it. But if there is any lapse in updates, Google Home is the place to go to. Method 8. Factory reset the Chromecast device. If you've tried all of the above solutions and you find that nothing works, then we suggest that you try to factory reset your Chromecast device. Factory resetting the Chromecast will any faults and technical issues with the device as it will be reset back to how you first got it, hence why it is called factory reset.